single day I'm gonna make something great.
Hello and welcome to justcomparecars.com. My name's James and today I'm going to be doing a walk around video of this 2018 Ford Ranger 3.2 TDCi 200 WildTrak Auto double cab. It's done 25,000 miles and it's got full service history. It's also got a full Raptor body kit, as you can see, and it's been lifted slightly as well. Now, we've been doing these walk around videos for quite a while now, and they prove to be very popular because it means you get to view the vehicle from the safety and comfort of your own home, but as if you were here in person. So as I go around the truck today, we'll look at all the panels individually, looking for any marks, any scratches or any dents. We'll look at the wheels and the tyres. We'll have a look in the back. I'll have a look inside the vehicle. Have a look at all the seats, the functionality. I'll even tell you what it smells like. Once we've done that, we'll pop the bonnet, have a look under there, and then finally we'll have a look underneath at the chassis. Now, obviously, once you've watched the video, if you're happy with what you're seeing, you want to buy it, a small deposit will secure it, and we can pretty much deliver it anywhere in the world. Obviously, in the UK, it's a little bit easier. Worldwide, I will need a port, and I can get you a cost for delivery, no problems at all. If you're looking to finance the truck, we'll go through an application with you. It usually takes about 5 minutes. We'd usually ask you for a deposit to cover the VAT. Obviously, in some circumstances, we can have a look at going around that, but that will be depending on you and your financial position. Right, so let's start with the bonnet, and then obviously we can work our way around from there. It's worthwhile mentioning that also on this truck, it's the top of the range one, so it's got the electronic locking rear diff. It's also got the adaptive cruise control, get my words out, adaptive cruise control, and also it's got the lane assist as well, so obviously when you go out of a lane it will tell you and bring you back into it. I can get my words out anyway. On a side note, what a great looking thing it is. It really is, and honestly it's so tall, it's unreal. I mean, I'm 6'2", and the rear of the canopy basically comes to the top of my shoulder. It's that tall. Right, so let's start with the bonnet and then we'll work our way around from there. I can say it's in great condition. There's no obvious marks, scratches or dents. This, you can see on the front there, is my fingers, unfortunately just caught it. You can see there's no darts or anything. But yeah, it's in nice condition. So, driver's side headlight and front bumper and front grille are all in great condition. There's no obvious damage on there at all. A couple of very small, little tiny stone chips, but nothing serious at all. Onto the passenger side wing. And as you can see, it's in nice condition. There's no obvious damage, marks, scratches or anything like that. And obviously the mouldings of the plastic are really in good condition as well. So, passenger side front wheel and tyre. The wheel is in great condition. It virtually looks like new, to be honest. And the tyre is also, it looks like new. And it's a Radar Renegade. Obviously the tyre looks virtually new, and it is a full set all round, obviously. Okay, so windscreen, there's no stone chips or cracks, everything looks nice and clean. Mirror back, same as is the mirror. So let's have a look down the passenger side, and hopefully you can appreciate from that shot the paint's in fantastic condition. Let's just zoom that out a little bit better. The paint's in great condition, super shiny, and there's no obvious damage on it. Nothing I can see anyway, put it that way. Hopefully you can see from that, any dents would just show up straight away, and there's nothing. Right, so onto the rear quarter. And again, it's in great condition, with no obvious marks, scratches or dents. Rear wheel and tyre. Again, the wheel's in fantastic condition. It's a matching tyre and matching tread depth. Right, so let's work our way around to the rear. passenger side rear light, it's obviously got the guards on them, looks really good, no obvious damage. Rear bumper with reversing sensors, we have got a little bit of a scuff there, it's nothing serious though. It's also got a reversing camera, which obviously I'll show you working when we get inside. Tow bar with the later style electrics. These will tow 3.5 tonne, as I'm sure you're aware. Tailgate is in nice condition. And there's no obvious damage. I'm looking more careful because obviously the rear tailgates are quite susceptible to dents and whatever else. But I can't see anything on it, so that's good. Let's have a look in the back. So it looks nice and tidy in the back. It's a bit dusty. I always like to look in the back of these when you're looking to get one of these trucks, because if you look at this part, it'll give you an idea of what it's been used for. It doesn't take a genius to figure out it's been used as a car anyway, just to look at it. Roll and lock. It looks to be of good construction. I can't see any names on it anywhere though, but obviously you can see that they are really well made anyway, so it does give you a decent element of protection. There you go. There we go, and it does lock into place. I'm not sure what the make is, there's no name on it, but it looks well constructed anyway, suits it as well, does look good, I'm sure you agree. Right, so let's go down the driver's side now. So driver's side rear light, again it's in great condition, no damage. Rear quarter, and again it's in really nice condition, there's no obvious marks, scratches or dents. All the plastics are obviously perfect as well. This has obviously been someone's toy, I think. Right, so driver's side rear wheel and tyre, again the wheel's perfect, as is the tyre, it's basically new. Right, so let's go down the driver's side. And again, I'm just looking for any marks, scratches or dents. Have a really good look. And there's no obvious dents on it at all. It's in really nice condition. It all is. Yeah, so it's in fantastic condition. Quick look at the roof. And again, it's in fantastic condition. Mirror's perfect as well. So onto the driver's side front wing, and as you would expect, it's just in great condition, the same as everything else. So driver's side front wheel and tyre, again it's in great condition, no issues at all there. Same for the tyre. You wouldn't want that running over your foot, would you? Right, so let's have a look inside. Driver's door card's in great condition, electric windows ×4. You can lock and unlock the door from there as well. Driver's seat is fully electric. So bolsters are really nice for him. Not surprising, 25,000 miles, not done anything. All the material is really nice and clean and shiny, it looks really good. And that goes right through as well, so yeah, very nice condition. I'll just put my phone in there, let me climb in. Start it up. Right, so let's have a quick look at the dashboard. No warning lights, hopefully you can see that, just the fuel and obviously the handbrake. the correct terminology. So it's got the electric locking rear diff, which is obviously a nice extra. It's got the adaptive cruise control, which is controllable from here, and if you just look here, it's got the lane as well, lane departure warning. It's also got anti-collision as well, which is something to do with this. So I presume it just puts the brakes on for you. I'm not 1000%. These are really new to me. Dashboard's in fantastic condition. There's no damage on it at all. So this part here is steering wheel controls, this little screen on here, and this one. And then you've got your media centre down below, volume, voice command, mute, and you can answer your phone and hang up from there as well. Reversing camera, really nice and clear system. And then you've got your fan system on the right, which is obviously your front and rear parking sensors as well, if you need that. Navigation screen is nice and large, and it's the same as your phone, so you can pinch and squeeze and move it around with your finger and whatever you need to. It's got a DAB radio with preset system. On the actual system itself, it's loaded, it's got everything you'd need: Wi-Fi, ambient lighting, it's got everything: Apple CarPlay, Android CarPlay, everything that you could want or possibly need. Obviously you got your Bluetooth for your phone, your navigation, you got heated seats in the front, obviously they do work, and also it's got dual zone climate control as well. Passenger seat, if I was a gambling man, I'd say that's not been sat in. Bolsters feel like brand new, and the material's really very clean. Obviously the type of vehicle, it might have been used by a director, and obviously at 25,000 miles it's not done very much at all. So roof lining, again, it's in fantastic condition, as is everything else. It's just superb. Rear seats, again, they don't look like they've been used to me, but you know, who knows. Right, so let me switch the engine off. Oh, can tell you, it smells nice inside as well. It doesn't smell like it's been smoked in. So into the back. Again, door cards are all good. As you can see, all the seats are really nice and clean. It's got the 230 volt socket in the rear. What you can use that for, I'm not sure, you tell me. PlayStation. Oops, sorry. So yeah, lots and lots of options on these. All your toolkits and everything's behind. It's in really great condition. So let's pop the bonnet. Oh, it's worth mentioning, sorry, there are two keys. Little LED lights in the front grille. Obviously the truck's got full service history, so it's been looked after. Needless to say, you know, it doesn't take a genius to figure it's been looked after. So the fluids are all clean and to the correct levels. Everything looks spot on. There's no signs of any oily residue around the engine or turbo. So you know there's no signs of any historic oil leaks or anything like that. It just looks in fantastic condition, the same as the rest of the truck really. I like to see them like this. It's obviously not been cleaned, it's just a natural looking engine bay. Right, so let's have a quick look underneath. That shouldn't be hard. So underneath you can see again there's no signs of any oil leaks historically. And it's nice and tidy underneath as well. It's got a spare. I think it's an alloy. Obviously not one of the ones that are on it, but it's nice to know that it's there. And I think it's got, can't read that, Continental tyre. Okay, so hopefully I've shown you everything that you would need to see if you were here in person, probably a bit more. I know I do go on, but obviously it's such a nice truck. It's obviously nice to see it in complete detail, so it saves you that journey of coming to look at it if you want to buy it, and obviously we can deliver it if you need to. So thanks for sticking with me and watching for the 16 minutes. What is it, 15 minutes? But more importantly, stay safe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.